Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa at home without onion and garlic. Begin by roasting tomatoes and peppers on a sheet or skillet to bring out natural sugars. Let them cool slightly before blending to control texture. Add chopped cilantro, lime juice, and cumin to taste, and pulse in short bursts until desired consistency is reached. Chill briefly before serving to meld flavors. Gather ingredients: ripe tomatoes, jalapenos, cilantro, lime, cumin, and salt. Preheat your oven or skillet for roasting peppers and tomatoes for char and depth. Keep a blender or food processor ready, plus a baking sheet and bowls for prep. Prepare a sharp knife and measuring spoons for accurate seasoning. Allocate about 15 minutes for chopping and 10 to 15 minutes for roasting depending on pepper size. Process salsa in short pulses and check texture frequently to avoid turning it into a soup. Reserve some diced tomatoes if you want a chunkier finish, and add roasted peppers gradually to control heat. Taste and tweak with lime, salt, or an extra pinch of cumin for balance. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld. Serve with chips, tacos, or grilled meats and store in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.